Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I am going to go over the cryptocurrency market, more specifically Bitcoin and the technicals of it. I'm going to explain to you why I believe the bottom is in with Bitcoin, and you have a good shot of that. I have the DXY. Oh, by the way, if you just landed here, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and new subscribers, I do appreciate you subscribing to the channel. If you landed onto this channel and you're new, I might go over some things that you might not understand at first. So for the older subscribers, that's why I go over things over and over again, because new ones come in and they don't understand. Okay, I get that all the time, guys. They're confused. People posted some on Twitter. They're like, "Hey, what? I don't understand it." Okay, so sometimes I have to take a step back and realize that there are new people out there that just don't understand what's going on, and they do want to learn. And you can learn everything that I've been learned, guys. I'm going to let you know everything that I've learned, all the trading things out there, all the experts that are out there. I don't care how many followers they have. All the information that you can learn about trading, you can get it all done for free. You can. Literally, you can get it done for free. You can go try a course and try this course and everything, and that's fine. That's fine. But you can get most all of it done for free. You're going to come up with your own system anyway. One person's system might not work for you. You might come up with a different system. So that's why I tell people looking for secrets about trading, you're not going to find the secrets. You're just going to be looking up and down, up and down, up and down for it, and you won't find it because there are no secrets to trading, guys. It's not. It's mostly control. Personally, what I think it is mostly control, emotional control. If you can master that, you can master trading. Okay, it's master trading, in my opinion. So here's the deal. I'm on the DXY, guys, and look at that. It's going up. It's a moonshot, and because it's doing a moonshot right now, according to crypto Twitter, it's got to go to 120, right? 120. I'm being facetious. It's not going to go to 120, guys. All you have to do is look at the waves. Okay, all you have to do is look at the waves. So you see this wave right here to this wave, and it's making another wave. Okay, just understanding waves don't go like that. They don't do that, guys. they don't go like that. They have to have some sort of rhyme or reason behind them. Okay, so let's see back here. Even if you go back here, I could show you. I did a video on this, guys, how it's not possible for the DXY to really get up there. Well, I don't want to say possible. It's highly, highly improbable that DXY is going to be shooting up there. To me, though, right now with this, guys, this is good news. This is good news with this chart right here because you want it to peak. You want this to peak and be done with. I remember when it was right here. And Greg, some people told me, even some followers of my channel say, Greg, nah, the DXY has got to be done. I was like, I don't know, guys. Sometimes patience. I'll say these two things probably are the best two attributes to have for trading. Set aside, no matter how many books you read or whatever courses that you provide, those courses and these tools will matter nothing, guys, if you don't have the patience, the ability to sit on your hands and wait, and the control, emotional control. If you have those two things, you'll be a good trader. You master that, you'll be a good trader. Not worry about it. I'll just leave it at that. That's all that you really need to know. You really need to know. So I'm also letting you know there are no secrets out there. Everything pretty much I know, I'm showing you right here on the chart. So it was ending right here. I was doubting that. So now it went up to here. Okay, it's going up to here. More than likely to the trend line, I have a target of 110.4, 110.4, 0.5, and there's a possible it could do a fifth wave thrust to 112 to 114. It could do that. But the good news is, guys, this is the good news. The good news is that DXY is going to be finished on a long-term trend. Take a look at the weekly on a long-term trend here, and it's going to go down. It's going to go down, and this is going to relieve a lot of pressure from the risk on assets, specifically Bitcoin, guys. I know I go over this DXY chart a lot. This is going to relieve a lot of pressure. You're going to see gold is going to start going up quite rapidly, and it's interesting too because gold's finished a fourth wave correction and it's going up into a fifth wave, and gold likes fifth waves. It does moonshots on fifth wave. So you can see some pretty good price appreciation with that. Bitcoin, S&P, risk on NASDAQ, it'll have ability to go up a lot more. And you can see it has a topping pattern. Okay, you see this? This is the topping pattern, guys. So you see how this third wave is going up onto the weekly. It just keeps going up, 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 right? And it's going up. But right now, it's not, the momentum is slowing down. That's telling you this is coming to an end. Okay, and not only on the higher time frame, you can see here's a third wave peak to this peak in the RSI. This indicator down here is a very, very powerful indicator if you know how to use it. I don't call it sold and overbought. That's actually the incorrect terminology to use it. This is a momentum indicator. This is a momentum telling you on your waves which waves have the most momentum. And which waves have the most momentum? Your third waves right here. You see, third wave, peak right there. This, you can say that's so high that's a third wave. So you already got figured out. A third wave's right here. Likely that's a fifth of the third. And you come over here, likely this is second, this is the first. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So I got a third wave right there. And then you can figure this whole thing out like that with this momentum indicator. So good news right here, good news. So let's go over Bitcoin. It's interesting to note about Bitcoin. Saw in the media, saw all the bearish undertones, overtones in crypto Twitter. And what did they say? Bitcoin had the biggest drop since June, and the bear market is back on. All right, let me put things in perspective for you. Let's check this out. Here's the weekly chart, and that's a nice big red candle, and that's a bearish candle. That is a bearish candle. But for things to continue to go up, they must come down a little bit to continue to go up. It's like right over here. You see that? Nice red, green candle, boom, another red candle. Just kind of like over there. You see? They had to come down a little bit more, and then it could go back up. Just like over here after the bear market. Up, down, and then it could go up again. Right here too. Down and go up again. This is a bigger version of all of that. Okay? So this is whole wave one, big one. This is a small wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is 1, 2 fractals of each other. There's another one right there. So let's go ahead and dive into that. I'm going to explain to you the probability of Bitcoin, the Bitcoin bottom being in. All right, guys? All right, the first thing is the bullishness. I made a previous video, I think, about it, is the bullishness behind this wave sequence that it did right here, guys. And to come all the way down into this is the 8-hour RSI. So I'll go through some different time frames using this RSI. This is a bullish undertone on this correction with it to come way down here. Now, can things change and then blast back up here to come back down? It could. But if you see here on the 8-hour chart, I'm looking at this wave sequence right here, okay? I keep it simple for you guys. And you take this RSI and you way over here, just come here like that. Where did it correct to on this 8-hour chart? This third wave right over here. So it came and it took all of this out. It took all of this out. And it's going to come back. This is in the fourth wave right now, okay? So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why it's taking so much time. It's sitting in there making a complex correction. I have a parallel channel on there. It's probably going to go to the edge of it. It might pop out of it, and then it's going to come back down. More than likely, and this wave will come like right to there, right? Not break this, but right above there, like in this area. So there's going to more than likely be another drop, possibly down to just below 20K. Okay? But that'd still be good because this whole, this corrective sequence that Bitcoin did took all of this back out. And what does that mean? That means that Bitcoin is setting itself up to be able to go up again. So here, I'll show you another example, like this wave. Okay, you see this wave, it went up high in the RSI. You see this wave, how high it went? It went way up there, okay? Right there, like that. But it didn't go as far as in price. Right there. So this is bearishness, guys. That's bearishness. This is the opposite. This is bullishness, okay? I know this is funny or interesting how I'm doing this, And what I'm doing is I'm using the momentum indicator to show you how you get bearish undertones and bullish undertones just looking at it. All right. The people that are bullish right now are looking for bullishness, and you always keep bearishness in the back of your mind too. Remember that. You cannot ever rule out bearishness. Things can always change quickly in markets. But people that are looking at this from a bullishness point of view, one, they're not saying anything. They're just doing their thing, going, hey, these people don't know what they're doing, and they're going, okay, I'm gonna get myself set up. So it's up a lot in the RSI, up not as much in price. It came back down, raised it back up to do that dump. And then this third wave dump over here in the RSI, which is about equal to this RSI over here. You can see that this has a bullish undertone. I put this on Twitter, and some other guy really didn't understand what I was talking about. So that's what I want to do, is that it came up high in the RSI, but not much in price. Okay, that's bearishness, because it's getting itself what? It wants to what? Dump. That's what it was doing. It's setting itself up to dump. Over here, deep in RSI, not as much in price, to do what? To get itself set up to go up. Okay, you still got a few more days. You got a few more days. More than likely, it's going to take 2, 3, 4. This could drag out for maybe even a week or more, guys, in this fourth wave, doing a complex correction right in there to get over there, and then it'll dump, and then it'll have a sequence change more than likely in that area. All right. Now, the other reason I'm going to change this too is I'm going to change this count. I'm going to break the rules. I'm going to break the rules once again with Elliott waves. Okay. Here's the deal. I'm pretty sure that this is the deal, that the count that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And then Bitcoin has been in a correction more than likely since the 30th of July, and it's coming down. It's swung up on an A like this. Okay. Here's your I'll show you. Here's your A wave, your 3-wave move right here, and here's another 3-wave move right here. Okay, so here's your 5, your 3, your 5, and then a B wave 3, and your dump on your C, like so, guys. Okay, so you can take your swing like so, and this is your dump. Your typical what? Your flat that I talk about. They go up above and dump, just like so. Typical move at the end of a impulse wave. They happen all the time. I just made a previous video showing you guys what usually happens. The flats like to go like that. They go up. Green candles, correction, green candles, correction. Everybody's happy. And everybody's still happy because it's a little bit of a correction on an A, and it goes up some more, and people are still happy. Oh, look at this. We're going all-time highs, and then dump. Just like this, you know? So could I be wrong? Could be. Anything can happen in the markets, but I'm planning. And the reason why I'm saying this, guys, is that with this sequence here and this correction, I'm going over other tokens. I'm going over crypto assets that are out there, like the discussion on Bitcoin Cash, where they think it's going to continue to go down. I said, look, guys, no. Bitcoin Cash has bullish undertones. It has bullish undertones. It's setting itself to go back up. Phantom did a similar move to go down, set itself back up, and all these other coins are setting themselves up to do what? Do a correction to go back up. Well, more than likely, I came to the conclusion, if I have 35 charts that are telling me that probably Bitcoin is doing that too. Okay, the odds start to increase when you have more information and more data points telling you, wait a second, guys, the whole market's saying it's going to go down, but I got data points saying, don't know, probably going up. So the reason I'm going to do that is this is the debate. This is the debate on this wave right here, guys. Okay, this is the debate on this wave. You can't say that's what's called a leading diagonal, because it's too long. It's too long, right? That's true. That's true. This wave is too long. However, it did a wave 2 throw under. It did a wave 2 throw under, guys. That's why it's too long. This wave right here, you take this point, a touch here, touch, throw under, touch. When you get 4 or 5 touches like this, that's a significant trend. You have touch here, almost made it there. A throw over on the third wave, very common. Touch, back down, touch, touch, and then a little bit of a throw over right there on the fifth wave, which is common too. So what do? You don't take it from the bottom. You take it from the wave, and then you measure it to the top of that wave. And then this wave is shorter than this wave over here, guys. Okay, that's what it is. This right here is throwing people off, in my opinion, because it's a throw under. It's throw under, very common in cryptocurrencies. They do throw unders on wave twos, wave fours. They like to do throw overs on wave threes and wave fours. So that's what I think it is. And then I'm going to go over Ethereum in another video, guys, but I want to put this in here that, here's the Ethereum right here, up on some green candles, is coming down on the weekly chart, and some red candles. Is that more correcting to do? Yes, it probably does. You probably see it come down to the 1300 area, but let's go look at it. You see over here, same thing, up on the green candles and came back down on a red candle. It's going to correct itself to go back up, just like over here. It's got to correct it to go back up. So what I'm saying is that it's time to start looking at other assets that are out there. I'll go over some other coins later today. Start throwing them in on some videos, let you guys know it's time probably to start getting yourself positioned in the market, in my opinion. At least that's what I'm going to do. All right, guys. Me, I'll wait till the end of my video. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.